Gavana James Orengo wacho ni ng'eyo jal madhi telo ne kweth Azimio kapo ni Raila Odinga odhi riwruok mar AUC dhi tim kirango teko maduond buche mani Azimio nigo. Orengo wacho ni duond bura mani kod mbi mapek e Azimio dhi bedo gi duol kata duol mar ng'ama kawo ka Raila Odinga. Orengo oloso giko dira mokale gwenge mag West Ugenya e county ma Siaya.
The truth of the matter is, nothing has changed because the positions that are being occupied by ODM before or subsequent to new nominees being processed to be members of the cabinet, they are the same positions which were occupied by ODM within the Azimio coalition. The seats that were retained for the other political parties within the coalition, including Wiper, including Jubilee, those have remained intact, and there has been no change whatsoever. So ODM, as part of the coalition, remains part of the minority party within the National Assembly and in the Senate. ODM has got to go through some restructuring, some leadership changes, obviously, but at the end of it all, Azimio, if it is not, distracted, or if it does not collapse, they have to sit together. I know Raila is the party leader of Azimio, but the chairman of the council is Uhuru Kenyatta. With the membership from various political parties, they'll have to sit down and make that determination.